morning, friends, and welcome back. Sophie and I are getting ready. We're gonna go take my mom for a procedure. So we're gonna go pick her up, get her where she needs to go, and just wait on her. She just needs a driver is all, and it is local. And while we wait on her, we're gonna be doing school. Right now, Sophie's eating her breakfast. And I'm not gonna show you anybody else because no one else is dressed. Katie doesn't have classes on Friday, so she doesn't have to go to school. She drives back and forth to school Monday through Thursday now, so her schedule's been changed, and she does have a day at home, so that's nice. And Gary is dealing with tree removal. We had a dead tree, so I'll put some footage in of the dead tree, but it's already gone. They've already taken that tree down in like, what'd you say, 10 minutes? 5 minutes? Very, very quickly. We got my mom inside for her appointment. Sophie and I are doing school. She's playing a game. Let's show them. So she's playing one of the new booster card or book games that the Good and the Beautiful put out, but they don't have level 1 out yet. So we're doing like the very end of level K, and she thinks they're really fun.
Come or what?
What did he say?
I don't know.
Come.
Yes.
Good news is you're getting all these right.
Yeah.
If you don't know what he said, then press the sound button. What?
What? Okay.
Uh-huh. Sophie and I are doing language arts. We just did our booster book, and I remembered that they put out that these games were starting to come out, and so I'll show y'all what it looks like. So this is the Good and the Beautiful app, and this is the level K, and these are all the games that they have right now for level K, and they're saying in September they're going to release 10 games for level 1. So Sophie's super excited about that. So this is just a different way. So I know I've talked about the multimedia approach. It's kind of hard to film and show you my phone, but so this is level 1 on the Good and the Beautiful app. So you can like get to their website, but then they also have videos that go along with the course. And then they have books. So these are just, they go with different specific lessons. And then they have audio. These are audio things that go with specific lessons. And then the last thing is the games, and these aren't out yet for her level.
Yes.
Okay, and a consonant is every letter that is not a
Vowel.
Good job. All right, so we are going to answer this question with a complete sentence. All right, so kind of like you do in speech therapy when she says you need to make it a complete sentence, that's what we're going to do. All right, so here's a question for you to answer in a complete sentence. Do you like cats or dogs more?
Dog.
So let's make a sentence. Instead of saying dogs, we'll say, I
Like dog.
That's a sentence. Good job. So we're going to write, I like dogs right here. I didn't bring the yellow marker to draw lines, so just do your
I
best.
don't know where my letter goes.
You do. Start at the top line, I,
Okay.
and go down to there. Oops. No, it needs to be a capital letter because we're writing a sentence, remember?
I don't know where my letter goes.
Sophie, let me see if I have crayons I can make a line. Where's your bag? Yeah, let's try that.
That will be my
All right, so Sophie struggles with the lines. I'm not sure if I can get this to show up like this, but what I usually do is take the bottom line and make it yellow to help her know, like, where to stop or whatever. So I'm gonna try it with a crayon. I usually use a yellow marker. I think this is gonna be just fine, Sophie. There you go.
You got a yellow line?
Okay, so your sentence was, I like dogs. Alright, we just did our musical multiplication practice. We're doing set A. And we've been doing this most every day all summer, right? Because we're trying to get you through where you know these. So we're going to do some practice now. 5 times 3.
It's 15.
Good. 6 times 6.
It's 46.
Good. 3 times 3.
It's 9, 9 multiplied by 5.
Good job, Sophie. How about 3 times 4?
8 times 4 is 12.
8 times 8?
8 times 8 is 64.
And 8 times 4?
8 times 32.
Yep. All right, wait a minute. I said 8 times 4, right? Yep.
Yeah.
All right, what's 5 times 5?
8 25.
Good. What's 6 times 4?
24.
Good. And 9 times 9?
It's 81.
Good. Sophie just got them all. She just, you basically mastered set A.
Yay!
So you know what that means? We can start working on set B, and I'll give you the written out practice for these so we don't forget them.
You'll get me those.
Yeah, so what we'll do is we'll start doing set A and B so we don't forget
What's
them.
that mean?
It means you get new songs to learn.
Are you sure
And
I
a new
can
book.
know them?
No, you won't know them at first.
No.
You'll have to practice, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. and then
Practice.
practice makes progress. Okay. All right, we are back from taking my mom for her appointment. So after we got her back in the car, we went and got some lunch for her at Chick-fil-A, and then I brought everybody some lunch back here. So I thought I would catch you up on my tracker for today because I haven't really shown any food. All right, so I had a bagel thin for breakfast, like bacon, egg, and cheese with that, and also had strawberries. That was a total of 5 points. And then for lunch, which we don't normally eat, but I picked up chicken nuggets, so I tracked that for lunch. So my points are gonna kind of be out of whack today because we are going out for dinner. We're gonna go get some tacos, so I'll probably be using more than what I have left for today. So I'll show you that. I'll probably have to estimate that too since it's a restaurant, but I'll show you that later on today. Are you ready to go to the library?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So hard to see from the moment we arrived. Cornelia, you are one who will survive. When time's been bad, you put smiles on everyone. Of you.
Okay, we are back from the library. We're gonna go ahead and do the activity that goes along with Sophie's science lesson today. You excited?
Yeah.
Yeah, all right, let's see what it says. All right, so we did lesson 2. We've already done like the bookwork part of it, but we are also going to do, let's see. What we didn't do is the activity, the 2 cups of cornstarch, 1 cup of water, medium-sized bowl or spoon, 2 straws, and then 1 to 2 small toys. So that's what we're doing right now, and we're also gonna go ahead and do our little egg. This is probably a good time for her to do that as well.
Eggy.
All right, so it says put 2 cups of cornstarch in a bowl. So can you carefully pour that in?
2.
That's 2 cups, so 16 ounces, okay.
That means a lot of it.
Mm-hmm. It's all of it, isn't it?
Yeah.
All right, now we're gonna add some water.
Yep.
We'll do 1 cup of water. All right. All right, now look and see how much this is. Look where the red line is. See that?
Yeah.
So that's 1 cup, right?
Yeah.
Okay, can you pour that in?
No.
Pour the whole cup into the bowl. All of it.
I put all of it.
Okay, now you're gonna stir it.
Let's do it.
Mm-hmm.
And then what happens?
Carefully stir it. We don't slap it all over the kitchen.
What will happen if I do it?
All right, so our dinosaurs are trapped in the cornstarch, and it says to leave it for 48 hours. I think ours is a little bit too liquidy because when we started out and actually followed the directions, it was super, super dry and chalky. So we probably will have to leave ours to dry a little longer. Okay, now I'm gonna let her do the dino dig egg. It says to soften it up by putting it in some water, and then you just kind of use this little tool that they give you to kind of start excavating. Letting it soften up, make it easier for you. I'm gonna get you a pan. Let's see if it's soft enough to do it. So you're just gonna start chipping away like that, okay? And see what you find. You can kind of see some green, so maybe you should start trying to go there. And if you feel like it's too hard, yeah, that's exactly right. If you feel like it's too hard, then we can put it back in the water.
No.
I think it's gonna work. Just be careful you don't hurt yourself. This is what we're using. I'll link it below if I can find it, but I think I showed this in one of our videos already, but this was just kind of went along with this lesson on finding fossils.
Everyone can see.
Friends, we'd love to pray for you. If we can pray for you, let us know in the comments below.
The extent of your bad deeds. And there's a time to cry, a time to let it go. And there's a meaning why it's not supposed to show. Don't you know where you belong? I will ride with you and show you all along. There's a reason you are strong.
So we're heading out to dinner. We're going to a taco place called Holy Tequila. Right, Sophie?
Yes.
So I'm gonna estimate my dinner tonight. I think I'm gonna get some shrimp tacos, and I'll show you my tracker. I'll show you what I order and just estimate the points the best I can, which is what I do when I go out to eat, when it's not like a chain place where you can, you know, like plug in the actual thing, or if you have like the calories and things and you can plug it in that way, because I don't in this case. But I just try to estimate it the best I can given the ingredients that, you know, I'm aware of or whatever, so. Dinner was delicious. We all had tacos. I had a fried shrimp taco, which I normally would get grilled, but in this case I decided to do that. And so I counted points for the fried shrimp, the cheese, and also the tortilla and the rice. So my total at the end of the day was 27 points, and dinner was 15 points. Thanks for being here today, friend. We'll see you next time. Bye.
Shining through every window pane, it's bathing you in light, so why should I complain? If there should ever be